Hi guys, Dacia here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making a DIY avocado and aloe vera deep conditioner. You'll need avocados, olive oil, argan oil, lavender essential oil, peppermint oil, a blender, and let's get into it. So right now I'm just scooping the avocado into my blender. I decided to try this DIY because I bought a lot of avocados and I didn't want them to just go bad and waste. I did some research and I realized this was a very good and popular DIY to try, so here we are. So now I'm just adding some olive oil to the mixture. And I'm just pulsing to make sure I get a smooth consistency. Now I'm adding my aloe vera gel. I use like half a plant of aloe vera gel. I also use a combination of aloe vera gel from the plant and some aloe vera gel I got from Whole Foods in a bottle. I wanted to make sure the mixture was nice and slimy so that it will provide a lot of slip along with moisture. Here I am just straining the product through my strainer. This is just to avoid any flakes that the avocado and aloe vera may add to my hair. I also want to mention that this DIY is not to replace the traditional deep conditioner, but it's basically a substitute. If you have extra avocados or laying around, you can make this and try this out and see if you like it. So now I'm just going in with a few drops of argan oil. This is a very lightweight oil that would not weigh down the mixture and is very good for type 4 natural hair. Now I'm also going in with a few drops of peppermint and lavender essential oils. I think I did a total of 10 drops. Hi guys, so now I am in the shower and I'm getting ready to go and apply that avocado aloe vera deep conditioner to my hair. But first I'm going to shampoo my hair. So my hair is a little dirty, you know. A little dirty, and this is from me trying to slick my edges down. I have not been able to find an edge control that can slick my edges down, but this is me using Gorilla Glue, and that's all I got. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to get my hair ready to shampoo. Ooh. Okay. Watched my wash day routine. You don't like only shampoo my roots, my scalp. So currently I've been using this Mael shampoo and I've been liking it. It's nice. I want to add, when I say I only shampoo my roots, I mean that I concentrate the shampoo on my scalp, mainly to get all of the dirt up from my scalp. When I get into the shower and the shampoo lathers, I then take that shampoo and wash my hair strands and rinse my hair to get out all of the excess oils that my hair may have acquired since the last and previous wash day. I'm about to go rinse the shampoo out and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just got done from shampooing my hair and now I'm going to apply the avocado aloe vera deep conditioner. Now I'm going to apply the deep conditioner to my hair. It smells so nice. Feels nice and fluffy. Feels really, really good. So. Ooh. Just gonna apply that to my hair. So now I am just going to continue applying the deep conditioner to my hair strands, basically detangling as I would with any normal deep conditioner, going through section by section and basically combing through and finger detangling my hair. This deep conditioner provided me with a lot of slip and moisture, and I was very happy at the formula. I really liked the way it turned out. So guys, I just finished applying all of the avocado aloe vera deep conditioner to my hair. This is what my hair looks like right now. It feels really good. Hey guys, so I'm back. I just finished on Clubhouse. I'm on every Sunday with my friend Charlene, and I'm just gonna take my plastic cap off. Looks and smell amazing. This is what we're working with here. My hair is nice and warm, but that's just from the body heat. But we're just gonna take these down. So now I'm just rinsing the deep conditioner from my hair. It was very easy to rinse out. I was really happy about that. It took a while, but it was very easy to rinse out. So I'm washing my hair in the manner I would usually wash my hair regularly, just in a detangling downward motion, just to avoid any tangles. Oh my god. Ooh. Ooh my god. Hi guys. So this is how my hair looks. 80% dry. I put my hair in a microfiber towel and I had it wrapped up for over an hour, so it's 80% dry, but my hair is extremely soft and there's nothing in my hair. It's extremely soft and it's extremely defined, so that deep conditioner was definitely a winner. I will definitely try it again. The only thing is I will try to strain it maybe a second time or use a different strainer, because it did leave huge particles in my hair. Not a lot at all, but you know, you can see them. So, and it's not a lot, it's just this one, and that doesn't bother me at all. That one, I don't know if there's any more in the back, but this is how my hair looks, 70% dry. So I'm just gonna go put my hair into a protective style and that'll be it. If you enjoyed that DIY, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.